Hello everyone, this is Monica. How are you? Today I will introduce you a laser cutting machine with exchange table. This machine is welded from carbon steel of more than 8 millimeters and 3.0 guide wheels. The brand of guide wheels and rigs is Yihai and YH3015B. You can equip 1000 watts or 6000 watts laser power, and the cutting size is 1.5 meters and 3.0 meters. We support customized of the brand of configuration such as laser generator, soft motor, control system, and laser cutting head. If you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact with me, and I will share with you the detailed parameter about this machine. And if you are interested in our company, maybe if you want to know the warranty of our company and you want to know the after-sales service, please feel free to left message to me. Okay, that's all. It's Monica. Bye bye. See you later.